even learned music. Why we govern, you even change accent. We can't, very well. Where have you given people land? There is no democracy without land. At the core of our struggle, what started the ANC was as a result of land dispossession. The wars which were fought by African people against the British and colonizers, and they got defeated. They then realized that fighting as small tribes is self-defeating. We need to come together so that we fight for our land. So the starting of liberation struggle in South Africa was not necessarily about the issue of who becomes a president.
And when we say Africans must fall, it doesn't mean Africans must not be spoken. It means Africans should not be given preference and should not be a language of privilege and power. It must be equal to all the languages in South Africa.